Yo, what's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Matt coming to you today with an unboxing of a pair of Adidas, man. I be forgetting sometimes. I just be entering things just because, and yeah, get those notifications, and you wind up with something you probably didn't want, but maybe you do. I don't know, but let's get into it, man. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, let's go. That old unboxing action going there. This box is ginormous. For what reason, I don't know. I mean, I know what's in here, but oh, you see the three stripes, right? All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we got that logo right there. We got that BAPE logo. Got the star. Let's get this joint cracking, yo. Nice box. I ain't even mad at it, yo. Let's see what else we got there. Okay. Little Adidas and a bathing ape action going there with the three stripes on the top. Oh boy. See what we got there, boy. We got that 30 years. Yes, sir. Okay then, Adidas. I got the little bag. What I'm gonna do with that, I don't know. But we not gonna digress today. We always digressing. We not. Fix your hat, son. Fix your hat. You can hear my mom right now. Let's see what else we. Okay, all right. We got the little envelope. Oh, we got the camo print, laces. Oh yeah. Are we keeping these? I don't know. Let's put them back in there though. We'll keep them. Got the little camo print paper. Boy. Woo-hoo. Yes, sir. Need a little camo action in my life, man. I ain't in the military no more, so I feel like I need to throw some camo on. And we got the little 30 right there. Okay, then. Well, let's get a couple more of them details, man. Let's see. I need you to focus, camera. Okay, then. All right. You got the gold trefoil in the inside. We got Stan Smith on the back. Let's see what this other shoe look like. Oh man, the insole got I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh yes, sir. Yeah, these might actually go to the toe, man. These might actually go to the toe. I was too late to try to cancel them when I realized what I had done. But looking at them initially, man, yeah. You see an outsole right there. I'm not mad at these. I'm not mad at these at all. We got Stan Smith over here on the left, and then we got a bathing ape on this on the right, on the tongue. It's been a while since I wore a pair of Stan Smith, so yeah, I might be. Yeah, I mean they do have some significance. It is BAPE 30 year, you know. So hey, let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think of these, bro. Are these dope or nope? Or has the era of BAPE came and left quickly? I wouldn't say quickly. BAPE been around for a long time. And it all depends on what we get from BAPE, whether the hype go crazy. But yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. I mean, it's an iconic silhouette with the Stan Smiths. So, and then you got Adidas in their partnership with BAPE because they have dropped a lot of BAPE merch over the years. So I don't know, man. Let me know what y'all think, bro. Whether these are dope or nope, or maybe I should just take them back to Adidas and leave them there. Let me know in the comments, bro. And also, while you're at it, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, bro, so you can be the first to know when we drop more content here on the set. So 3 things: like, subscribe, notification bell. Hit them 3, man. It's the perfect trio. It's free. Don't cost you a dime. All it costs you is your time. I'm your boy Money Matt, bro. I'm gonna get on out of here. Peace.